Hey, what's up guys, Emmanuel here. Today I am going to show you how to replace your battery on the Panasonic at 5, just in case your battery is no longer holding charge and you want to replace them. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and begin this video. Alright, so first thing first, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver or the tiny flathead screwdriver. If you look right in here, you will see the tiny screw right there. We are going to take it out, guys. Make sure you don't misplace that. Alrighty guys, there we go. That's going to expose this right here. We can just leave this right on it. Don't want to come out, that's up to him. I'm going to use my flathead screwdriver and put it in here and kind of pop this up. You hear that? You see, that's going to open side to side. And you can do it with your hand now and just put your finger in here and kind of lift it up. Don't be afraid, it's not going to break or anything, just like that. Alrighty, so after that, we are going to grab our Phillips screwdriver again. We're removing this time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. All right, we're gonna put that here. Repeat the same thing for all 6 screws. Voila. After we're doing that, we're just gonna take this little piece off so it won't come falling. Already, there's some sort of protection just in case it drop or something, whatever the case might be. Alrighty. Then we are going to push this in and pull this out. So you're going to put your finger in between here and pull this out, and make sure you push that 3 dot in so they won't come sticking on the cover. All right, there we go. You see, sometimes it's still going to happen just like that. Alrighty, if sometimes you can just pull that out, you know, separate that. Alrighty, and stick this right back in. You're going to hear that click. Alright, so after that, we're just going to pull the battery out. That's it. Very easy, guys. You see the pin over here, the pin over here. That's the battery. Is completely different from our regular battery. So if you look on the battery here, you're going to see the positive sound and the negative over here. When you look in the device, you are going to see the positive, like right there, positive. Alright, so that's how you know which way to replace the battery. So we look at the battery. This is positive. We look here, we see positive, then we just line it in there and click it right in. That's how you do that. And one thing I want to remind you guys is every time you disconnect that battery, it completely discharged the battery. So even if you had a full battery and you disconnect that, it would discharge the battery for some reason, I don't know. So even if we're done, we won't be able to put it on, to turn it on, because the battery is dead. I don't know, for some reason it tells the system like it's a new battery that you have to put it on charge again or something. So we won't be able to use this battery right now unless we put it on charge. All right, so that's it. So after you line up your brand new battery, just like that, you are going to grab these. Let me remind you a little quick, this gasket or oil ring you see around this, you need to keep it on. That's the only thing that allows you to be able to use this on a shower, like waterproof. Alrighty, so we are going to line it up just like that. And press it on and replace all the little thing right there. Make sure you put it back on and put the middle one just like that. My hands are a little slippery for some reason. I line up all of these pretty quick, then you use your screwdriver and tighten it down. That's it. That's how you do it. Simple, guys. So we're going to use a screwdriver. We're going to do the middle one first. Alright. Tighten it pretty good. Want to make sure you tighten it pretty good so you don't have any tiny little drip of water going into your device. Alright. So repeat this over here. Same thing. So after you're done there, we're going to grab this one here. Remember, you see that little pin over there? 1, 2. They are going to hook up into that little hole, one over here and one on the other side. All right, I hope you guys see what's going on there. All right, so what you're gonna do first is to line up, line that pin in that hole. Make sure they get in that hole pretty good, as you see. All right, then once you do that, and you're gonna press and hold this together so they won't come out, and press this down. That's it. That's it. As you see, this one is not lining up, but this one is lined up pretty good. So what we're going to do is kind of pull it back a little bit and push it in. There we go, just like that, guys. So once you're done that, you squeeze it. You're gonna hear that clicks. Everything is clicked on pretty good. Then we're gonna take this last little piece right here and line it up and tighten it down pretty good, guys. So you gotta tighten this down like all the way down, you know, so you don't get water going into there. This thing is 1 year, maybe 3 or 4 months old now. So I am going to come out with a full review on how it been working out for me. And also I got a video on how to replace the foil and the blade. So you guys want to check that out as well. All right, so that's it. So as you see right now, we are unable to turn it on, guys. That's what I just said earlier. You got to be able to put it back on charge and let it sit for a few minutes before you be able to use it. So let's go ahead and test it out. Put it on charge for a few minutes or seconds and be able to test it out. Make sure that you know, everything's working pretty good. All right, guys, we got a charging station right here. Let's drop it into that real quick. So as you guys see right there, it says 0. This is 0, so it means like no power in it at all. But just to test it out, we should be good. Let me pull that out a little quick and turn it on and see, just to make sure that everything's working. You see that? So you see the red light is blinking. It means that you know, it's not charged. So that's it. That's how you change your battery on your Panasonic at5. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like and subscribe, guys. I will see you in the next video.